Okay, beautiful beings. I had an idea because I didn't have no purple pearls. So I'm showing you on video. I wrote down all the colors I did. We did all these colors. And I took 5 pearls and I painted them like so. Like that. And then I'm going to take some Mod Podge when they dry and put it over it and see if it works. And we'll see. I just wanted to record it in case it works. And if it don't work, then we'll know. Okay, we'll be back. Good news, beautiful beings. Make sure when you put your tiny pearls down and color them, you leave them on the strip of sticky. And then you can just peel them up. See, and then the paper won't be stuck on them like that. Okay. I covered them with a coat of Mod Podge. And voila, we have colored pearls. That one does not want to flip over for me, but it worked. But make sure you leave them on that stickiness, the sticky pearl strip. Okay? None of them are turning over for me. None of them are turning over for me to show you. But anyway, it worked. And then you can use them to decorate whatever embellishment project you're working on. They just don't want to turn over for me. But make sure you leave them on the sticky so when you do pull them up from the paper, after you put the Mod Podge, the paper don't come up. That's why we leave them on the strip. Just wanted to share that with you. And I hope this helps you create whatever color you want for your pearls. So if you buy a bunch of white pearls, because they don't have some of the other colors, like I have not found any purple pearls anywhere in my travels, but it works. Just keep them on a sticky thing. Turn them over for you. And you can just use them on your projects. So I am happy to share that with you. Okay.